Bari is a charming port city located in the southern region of Italy. Known for its historic landmarks, pristine beaches, and authentic Italian cuisine, Bari attracts tourists from all over the world. Here are 10 places to visit when in Bari. In conclusion, Bari is a city that offers something for everyone. Whether you are interested in history, art, music, or simply want to relax on the beach, Bari has it all. With its warm weather, beautiful coastline, and rich culture, Bari is the perfect destination for your next Italian vacation. Thank you for watching.